Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the most important and interesting topic, aromaticity. So first I discuss some basic concept of aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic. Then I discuss some tricky question and exceptional case. So please don't skip the video. Now first aromatic compound. Aromatic compound. Check four condition. 1, 2, 3 and 4 condition. First condition is cyclic. Cyclic system required for aromatic compound. Cyclic mean ring size like benzene, cyclobutane, etc. This is the ring size, so this is the cyclic. Then check conjugation. Conjugated system. Conjugated system means delocalization of electron. Delocalization of pi electron system. Delocalization of electron means in benzene ring their pi electron are delocalized this manner. That means pi sigma pi, or another example, suppose negative charge delocalize, so this is negative sigma pi delocalization. Another, suppose the positive charge delocalization, this is pi sigma positive, or another the lone pair delocalization. Lone pair is delocalization. Suppose this lone pair is delocalization. So lone pair sigma pi delocalization. This is the conjugated system. Now third, check planar. Planar means the carbon atom sp or sp2 hybridization. Like benzene ring, all the carbon are carbon are sp2, hydrogen is there, so all the carbon are sp2 hybridization. So sp2 hybridization, this is planar. So planar condition is sp or sp2 hybridization required. And fourth condition, this is Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule is in aromatic system 4n plus 2 pi electron. Where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This is integer number. Now in case of n equal to 0, this is 4 into 0 plus 2 pi electron system. So this is 2 pi electron system. In case of n equal to 1, this is n put value 1, 4 into 1 plus 2 pi electron system. This is 6 pi electron system. N equal to 2, this is 10 pi electron system. N equal to 3, this is 14 pi electron system, and so on. Now in benzene ring there are 3 pi, 1, 2, 3, 3 pi, and then electron is 1 pi 2 electron, 1 2, this 2 electron. So 1 pi having 2 electron, so 3 pi having 3 into 2 pi electron, there is 6 pi electron system. So benzene ring are cyclic. This is cyclic, conjugated because the delocalization is there. So this is conjugated, and planar because this is sp2, all are sp2 hybridization, all are sp2, and conjugated, this is complete conjugated in aromatic system. Remember, this is conjugated, this is the complete conjugated, not partial, complete conjugated in aromatic system, complete conjugated. Then the Huckel's rule follow. This is 4n plus 2 pi electron system. This is 4n plus 2 pi electron system. So benzene are aromatic compound. And another example, suppose this compound is conjugated. First check cyclic. This is cyclic, ring system cyclic. Then this is conjugated system because the pi sigma vacant p orbital plus positive charge vacant p orbital. So this is the conjugated system. this side, and this is positive charge, and then this side delocalization, this is positive charge. So this is conjugate system, and planar all are sp2 hybridization, all are sp2 hybridization. So this is planar system, and follow Huckel's rule or not. This is 2 pi electron system. So 1 pi means 1 pi electron, 1 pi means this is 1 pi equal to 2 electron. So this is 2 pi electron system, 2 pi electron system. This is 2 pi electron, n equal to 0. So follow the Huckel's rule. So 4 condition fulfilled. So this is our aromatic compound. Another example, suppose in cyclopentadiene anion. So this compound, this first check cyclic, this is cyclic, then check conjugated, reconjugated, because negative sigma pi electron. So this is conjugate system. Then planarity check. First this is sp2, this is sp2, all are sp2 hybridization. So check the planarity. So this is planar, and follow the Huckel's rule or not. This is 1, 2, and pi electron. This 4 pi electron system. Pi electron, not only the pi electron, all this is included lone pair plus negative charge. Also the pi electron count. So there are 1, 2, 3 pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, and negative charge 1 pi. So there are 3 pi. So 3 pi means 6 pi electron system. 1 negative charge, 2 electron, and 1 pi, 2 electron, 1 pi, 2 electron. There are 6 pi electron system. There is 6 pi electron system. So 6 pi electron system. This is follow the Huckel's rule. So this is our aromatic compound. These are aromatic compound. Another example in pyrrole system. Pyrrole system. Now there is lone pair or conjugated system. So first check cyclic. This is cyclic, and then conjugated lone pair sigma pi. This is conjugated system, and planarity. After conjugation, this is this type. So this is our sp2, and all are sp2. These are sp2, these are sp2, all are sp2. So this is the planar, and follow the Huckel's rule. So follow. This is 2 pi, 1 pi, 1 pi, and 1 lone pair. So this is 3 pi electron. 3 pi equal to 6 pi electron system, because 1 pi 2 electron, 1 pi 2 electron, 1 lone pair 2 electron. This is 6 pi electron system. 6 pi electron system. So 6 pi electron system. This is the Huckel's rule. Follow the Huckel's rule. So this is the aromatic system. This is aromatic system. I discuss anti-aromatic compound. What is anti-aromatic? Similar to aromatic, anti-aromatic. Check, this is 4 condition. There are same condition. First cyclic system, cyclic, then conjugated similar to aromatic, then planar, and fourth Huckel's rule. In case of anti-aromatic, there is 4n pi electron system. In aromatic, 4n plus 2 pi electron system. In anti-aromatic, 4n pi electron system, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, ... etc. So in aromatic system, there are n value 0, 1, 2. In anti-aromatic, n value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So equal to 1. So 4 pi electron system, n equal to 2. This is 4 into 2 pi electron equal to 8 pi electron system. N equal to 3, there is 12 pi electron system. N equal to 4, this is 16 pi electron system. Now example of anti-aromatic. There is first check cyclic. This is cyclic system. The inside cyclic system. Then conjugated. This is our conjugated system. And then planar. All are carbon are sp2 hybridization. All are carbon are sp2 hybridization. So this is planar. And check Huckel's rule. There is 2 pi, 1, 2, 2 pi. This is 1 electron, 2 electron, 1 electron, 2 electron. There is 4 electron, 2 pi, 1 pi, 2 electron. There is 4 pi electron system. 4 pi electron system. This is the follow the Huckel's rule. So this is anti-aromatic compound. The anti-aromatic compound. Anti-aromatic. Then another example. Suppose this compound. So first check cyclic. This is cyclic. Conjugated. Obviously this is conjugated. Then planar. This is sp2. There is sp2. And after conjugation, there is also the conjugation. This is the sp2 hybridization. This carbon sp2 hybridization. And follow the Huckel's rule or not. There is 1 electron, 2 electron, and 1 negative charge, 2 electron. There is 4 pi electron system. So 4 pi electron system follow the Huckel's rule. This is anti-aromatic compound. And another example. Suppose this is the, and these compounds are most important. First check cyclic. This is cyclic, and then conjugated. This is conjugated because boron having the vacant p orbital. So this is sigma pi sigma vacant p orbital. So this is conjugated system, and follow the this is the planar. Obviously this is sp2. All are sp2 hybridization. And Huckel's rule or not. This is 1 electron, 2 electron, 3, 4. So 4 pi electron system. There is 2 pi. This is 4 pi electron system. So this is the follow the Huckel's rule. So this is also the aromatic compound, anti-aromatic compound. Sorry, this is anti-aromatic compound. Now another example. So first check cyclic. This is cyclic. Then conjugated. This is conjugated. Pi sigma positive charge. This is conjugated system. Planar. All are sp2 hybridization. And follow the Huckel's rule. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 pi electron system. Follow the Huckel's rule. This is anti-aromatic compound. Now next I discuss non-aromatic. Non-aromatic means neither aromatic nor anti-aromatic. So these compounds are non-aromatic. Suppose example, this is cyclic, but this is not conjugation because there is no pi bond or no negative charge or positive charge. There is no conjugation, and this is not planar because this is sp3. All are sp3 hybridization, and this is sp2, but this is sp3, so non-planar compound. But another example, suppose this side. So this is the conjugated, but this conjugated is partially conjugated. This is partially conjugated. But in case of anti-aromatic and aromatic, both are complete conjugated required. Complete conjugated system required. But in partially conjugated, this is the non-aromatic compound because this is a sp3. This is non-planar compound. This is non-aromatic compound. Another example, suppose this is a acyclic system. This is not the cyclic. This is also non-aromatic compound. And another, suppose this is a sp3 hybridization. This is partially conjugated, not completely conjugated. So this is a non-aromatic compound. And other, suppose cyclooctatetraene. These are cyclic. And first check cyclic. This is cyclic. Then this is conjugated. Yes, this is conjugated system. This is conjugated. This is conjugated. And third check. This is planar or not. This is all are sp2 hybridization. All are sp2 hybridization because double bond, single bond, double bond, all are sp2. This is planar. Condition 4, Huckel's rule. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 pi. So 4 pi, 1 pi, 2 electron, 4 pi, 8 pi electrons. 8 pi electrons mean 4n pi rule, 4n pi electron rule because n equal to 2. This is 8 pi electron rule. So this is the 4n pi electron rule. This is anti-aromatic. This is Huckel's rule follow. This is anti-aromatic. But this is not the true because in the cyclooctatetraene, this is not the planar structure. This is exactly, this is tub shaped like structure. This is, so this is a non-planar compound. This is a non-planar compound. So this is a non-aromatic, not anti-aromatic. This is not anti-aromatic, not anti-aromatic. So remember that all are sp2, all cyclic, conjugated, planar, and follow the Huckel's rule. This is anti-aromatic, but exactly not. This is the non-planar molecule, not planar. So this is our non-aromatic system. So this is our exceptional case. These three examples are most important. This is first check cyclic. This is cyclic system. Then check conjugated. This is the sigma pi sigma pi pi sigma pi. This is fully conjugated system, and then check planar is planar or not. This system are non-planar because there are two hydrogen is there. Inside two hydrogen is there, so hydrogen repulsion is there. So this planar, lack of planarity. So this is out of plane. So this is the non-planar molecule, non-planar compound, non-planar. So this is our non-aromatic. This is a non-aromatic. This second are similar compound, but one breaching. So there is no hydrogen is there. So there is no hydrogen repulsion. So first check, this is cyclic, then conjugated, this is fully conjugated. Then check aromatic or anti-aromatic. This is planar molecule, aromatic or anti-aromatic. This is the Huckel's rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pi, 1 pi, 2 electron, 1 pi having contribute 2 electron, and 5 pi, 10 pi electron system. This 10 pi electron system means this is follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule. This is aromatic compound. Another example, this is the conjugated system, cyclic, conjugated system, and fully conjugated system. And this is, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 10 pi electron system. This is also the aromatic compound, and this is the planar molecule. This is also the aromatic compound. Now first check cyclic system. This is cyclic system. Then check conjugated. But you see this is the internal position double bond, but others are periphery double bond. The aromaticity is the property of periphery ring. Remember this, note down. Aromaticity is the property of periphery ring, but this is the internal ring. So there is no Huckel pi bond. There is no Huckel pi bond. Only count the periphery bond, periphery system. So there is the periphery 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pi. 6 pi means 12 pi electron system. 6 pi means 12 pi electron system. This is 4n pi electron system. This is the anti-aromatic compound, because this is the cyclic and fully conjugated, and there is all the planar, because all are sp2 hybridization and follow the 4n pi system. This is anti-aromatic compound. Please note down, this is the aromatic is the property of periphery ring, not the internal ring, internal double bond. Now same condition, lone pair is the internal side. So this is the Huckel lone pair. So there is periphery double bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 pi, there is 12 pi electron system, and whole are cyclic and fully conjugated system, and planar, all are sp2 hybridization. So this is also the anti-aromatic compound. Now check this is not the periphery system. So first, this is cyclic and conjugated, all are fully conjugated system, and then check this is planar, all are sp2. Then check number of pi bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 pi means 14 pi electron system. 14 pi electron system follow the 4n plus 2 pi electron system, n equal to 3. This is 14 pi electron system. This is aromatic compound. So this is anti-aromatic compound. This is also anti-aromatic compound, but this is aromatic compound. Please check only the periphery double bond, not the internal double bond. Internal double bond are not count in aromaticity. I will discuss some tricky question. So question number 1 you are watching on the screen. The compound this is cyclooctadiene, and this is Cl, there is Cl, and 2SbCl5. Now SbCl5 is Lewis acid. So except the Cl lone pair, so Cl minus accept, so Cl minus 2Cl minus accept, 2Cl minus accept, so form the positive charge, and there are positive charge, so this is 2SbCl6 negative, 2SbCl6 negative. Now then check, this is cyclic system, and then the conjugated, there is conjugate system, this is our conjugate system, and all are sp2 hybridization, all are sp2 hybridization, this is sp2, this is sp2, all are sp2 hybridization. And then follow the Hooke's rule, this is 4 pi electron system, 4 pi electron system, what 4 pi plus 2 electron system, 1 2 3 3 pi means this is 6 pi electron, this is 4n plus 2 pi electron system, so this is aromatic compound, and form the product, so 2 plus, so option B is the right answer. You are watching on the scheme. Now the compound is Br and react with AgNO3. AgNO3 is Ag plus NO3 minus, so accept the Br minus to form AgBr precipitate, and product is from the carbocation. Now this is the first cyclic system, and then check conjugated, this is the conjugated system, this is also the conjugated system, and then check planarity, all are sp2 hybridization, planar, and this is 6 pi electron system, this is aromatic compound, Now which statement is incorrect in the respect of above reaction? First, product is aromatic, this is the product is aromatic, so option A right. Option B, the product is high dipole moment. We know dipole moment equal to charge into distance, charge into length. The charge increase, this is positive charge separation increase, so dipole moment increase, so option B is the right. But option C, product has less resonance energy. Note down, in aromaticity proportional to resonance energy, proportional to stability, but inversely proportional to potential energy. Aromaticity increase, resonance energy increase, stability increase, but potential energy decrease. So this is aromatic compound also stable compound means resonance energy high. But option C, product has less resonance energy, so option C is not correct. But option D, product is soluble in polar solvent, this is the polar molecule, because positive charge separation created, so this is polar molecule. We know polar interaction, polar molecule and polar solvent interaction better, so polar is soluble in polar solvent, this is option D is the right answer, but option C is the incorrect answer. So option C is the right in this question. You are watching on the screen. Decreasing order of acidic strength of the following compound. Compound X is Y, and Z is for acidity we know H plus remove, so acidic. After removing, this is negative charge, and similarly removing the H plus to form the negative charge, and similarly remove the H plus to form the negative charge. We know negative charge minus I effect increase, the negative charge stability increase. So minus the Cn minus having the minus I effect, so stability increase. So conjugate base is more stable. Now in this case, this is the aromatic compound, because this is 1 2 3 the 6 pi electron system, and cyclic conjugated system, this is the aromatic compound. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 8 pi electron system, this is anti-aromatic system. We know aromatic system is more stable. This is also the aromatic system, this is similar, same. So this is aromatic, this is anti-aromatic, this is aromatic. So aromatic compound increase the stability, stability increase. So this is aromatic, so though both are stability increase, but there is more stable because minus I effect, negative charge stability increase. So this is the most stable. Then first Z, then stability X, then stability Y, because this is anti-aromatic, this is less stable. So option D is the right answer. Next day I will discuss complete general organic chemistry lecture. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.